Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be showing you how we do art in our homeschool, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just recently started doing art. Now I've done art over the years in our homeschool, but it's not been anything that really ever stuck, and we would just do it for a few times and then it'd be done for the year. So I'm hoping this is going to be different. I hope it's going to actually last our school year. But we found a channel called Art for Kids Hub. I think that's the name. I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in it at all. But it's been so cool. The kids love it. It has videos where for younger kids that are labeled like preschool, and so it has stuff for your younger kids, and then it also has things that are more difficult for older kids. So it does have a range of levels for your kids. And the guy in the video has one of his kids always by his side doing the drawing while he's doing it too. So I thought that was really neat. So you got to see his drawing next to his kid's drawing. So it's really cool. But anyway, the kids are really liking it so far. I was going to make it just a Friday thing, but so far we've been doing it every day. So at least a lesson a day. The kids really like it. You're not really out any money. It's completely free unless you want to buy certain art supplies, which we don't. We just use like Crayola markers, color pencils, things like that. The guy in the video always uses like a Sharpie to make the outline, and then he colors it. But I don't do Sharpies because I have little kids. That's not a good idea. But we use just like Crayola markers and stuff like that. And I did buy these little art books. I don't know if you can see that. It'll focus on it. It says mixed media, so I got it so it would have thicker paper for markers. It still is kind of bleeding through though, so as you can see, it's kind of bleeding through a little bit. So maybe there's one that's made specifically for markers, I don't know. But these little books are really nice. They're like $3 at Walmart. You could probably find better ones, but that's just what I found. It needs to probably actually be a marker pad. But this is the only thing that I've bought for it so far, and I'm hoping to keep all their drawings in here, so at the end of the year they'll have like a book, hopefully full of drawings that we can save. That would be really neat if it actually is something that sticks, because with homeschool you never know how long something's actually going to last. It could last for a week or two and then just be done. I don't know. I'm hoping it'll be something that's actually going to stick. So, but anyway, I'm going to do some video about of the kids actually doing a lesson, so you can kind of see what it's like, and maybe it's something that your kids would be interested in. So anyway, I'll show you some of that. Okay, so what are y'all wanting to draw? You gotta do something Owen can do too.
Minion. Yeah! Snail. Snowball. Why is already red, Mom? How to draw a snowball? That one. No. Do that, please. No. How about this one? No. Okay.
It needs to be one that Owen can do.
This one. Owen can do that one.
Okay, well that's fine if that's
I
one.
don't want to watch it.
Well, you have to watch it to learn.
We're going to draw a big bird. Baby bird, yeah, and we're going to use shapes. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to use a circle, triangle, and also some half circles.
And an M.
And an M on the top of the bird for his little feathers sticking out. You got your marker?
Alright, y'all got all your stuff?
We hope you have your marker. You're going to follow along with us, and you have some paper to draw on. Alright, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Alright, little man, we're first going to draw a half circle. And that means we're only drawing half of a circle. Okay, we're going to first draw a line straight across on our paper. Now this is what's going to split our circle in half. So we're going to draw
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope maybe it was helpful. Maybe it gave you an idea of something you could do for your art lessons for your kids. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.